Gut. Herr Casa, bitte sehr.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Well, we all know that Mr. Farage has been working for Britain to leave since I joined here in Parliament 11 years ago. He has tried local elections in the United Kingdom, but he didn't have any success, did he? Then he went for the general elections in the United Kingdom, hardly a success there. On the contrary, he secured a bigger majority for David Cameron and the Conservative Party. Now, if in the referendum, which he always wanted, the majority of the British people say yes, meaning to stay part of us in the European Union, will he call it a day and retire from politics? Or would he want another chance to stay here, enjoying the company of us Europeans?
Well, Mr. Casa, I don't know who's been briefing you on UKIP's electoral history. You perhaps haven't got a very good memory, I'm not sure. But in 2014, with 28% of the vote, UKIP won the European elections, topping the poll across the United Kingdom, the first time since 1906 that a party that wasn't Labour or the Conservatives had won a national election. So I hope that brings you up to speed. As for the referendum, yeah, I believe it is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I'm certain that if we vote to remain, we're unlikely ever to get another opportunity, and we will sink deeper inside this political union. But I think there's every chance now that the momentum is on our side of the argument, and so yes, we're going to vote to leave, and within a short period of time, all the British MEPs will be gone. How about that?
Für die ENF-Fraktion hat jetzt das Wort Frau Le Pen.
Attention avec les analyses sur les résultats, monsieur, des mouvements politiques dans leurs pays respectifs. Chez moi, je crois que les socialistes sont descendus aux dernières élections à 22% et personne n'a démissionné.